Dishwasher clips provide stabilization and keep the dishwasher from moving while in use. Tools needed for installation include dishwasher clips, a fine-tipped marker or pencil, denatured alcohol, soft rags or shop towels, 2-part epoxy, masking tape, and a Phillips screwdriver. Ensure that the dishwasher is centered between the cabinets. Place a generous amount of 2-part epoxy on the dishwasher clip and attach them to the underside of your countertop. Use a piece of masking tape to hold the clip in place until the epoxy dries.